Tanker lost lifeboat with 2 crew in the Atlantic. Tanker CHEMTRANS NOVA lost lifeboat with 2 people in it at around 18:30 on February 6, some 75 nanometers SE of Delaware Bay, Atlantic. 2 crew, both said to be engineers, were carrying out maintenance in lifeboat when it suddenly broke free and fell into water. U.S. Coast Guard was called. USCG Cutter RELIANCE luckily happened to be nearby, and rescued both seamen. One was picked up from water, another from lifeboat. Both sustained injuries, including lacerated stomach and broken leg, said USCG in a statement. Helicopter was called, both seamen were transferred to Norfolk Hospital. Tanker continued her voyage, after some 5 hours break. She's en route from Marcus Hook to Bahamas. Crude oil tanker CHEMTRANS NOVA, IMO 9,316,232, DWT 73,870, built 2006, flag Cyprus, manager CHEMIKALIEN SEETRANSPORT GMBH, EQUASIS.